Those are creepy.
You can hear each individual one going up. Thunder. What? What?
Sirens native.
Oh God. So technically there's no report at all.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's inflow going in. Dude, look at this. I know it. Ah! That's one of those inflows, like from the north, you know, like one of those inflow tails going in. Contrast is so bad. I know, it's terrible. It's getting better though. We're starting to see it now.
See, it's like slanted.
Yeah, that's like one of those inflow tails.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. From the north. Yeah, it's an inflow tail. Yeah, that's what I was trying to do. I'm not giving anybody's. Sorry, Mike.
Oh, CG.
see the base. You can see the base now, I think. Wouldn't it be right by those water towers? There's two water towers.
Somewhere here. You can see something like some type of thing on the front edge there. Like
There's shelf cloud over there, right?
A tornado warning has been issued for Osage. Take cover immediately.
Yeah, I mean, we're starting to get a good view of the structure. Holy crap. This is amazing.
I can't tell. Yeah, no, I see it.
Wow. Oh man. That is a cool shot. That's an amazing shot. Yeah. Wow.
It's kind of wild by looking at it.
It is.
Yeah,
Down
it
there.
definitely looks like one down there.